In today's episode we are going to get rid of the E46. Yeah, I have somebody that in 1 hour, something like that, is going to pick up the car. Yeah, that's done. And in today's episode we are going to install a new dash for the E90. I wanted to do this mod, yeah, I can say mod, for a long time now, because I have the US dash. Let me show you what we have in here. And in here you can see we have the dash with the with the miles and the kilometers, yeah, and the miles per gallon, and we are going to replace the whole dash. Yeah, I'm going to keep this one because it's the original one, is already coded for the car. And last night I found something on the internet with the white LEDs, yeah, with the oil temperature gauge in here, and for the price it will be coded for the car, so I don't have to do anything. Oh yeah, in fact, let me show you what I found on the internet last night. And yeah, check this out. I've found online this dash. Yeah, it's already modified, yeah, with the red needles, with the white LEDs and everything. We have an M logo. I didn't want to have that logo, but it is what it is. We have the oil temperature instead of the instant consumption, and we are going to need this. Yeah, you can see the price in here, yeah, but in this price we can have it already coded for the car, so I don't have to do that, because in this price, like I've said, the seller will code this for the car. So we are going to drive in there to see if we can have a deal for this one, or if this will fit our car. We will have a new dash, but first we have to wash the car. I've cleaned the car on the inside, everything should be clean and nice, but on the outside is completely dirty, and you can clearly see here the wheels. I don't think I ever had the wheels that dirty, but I had a lot of work this period of time, and I didn't wash the car, and I didn't have the time to wash the car. Yeah, so anyway, no more talking, let's drive to the washing station and wash the car. We are going to use almost every step from here, the foam, yeah, and everything. So yeah, no more talking, let's start washing the car. Finally clean, yeah. Now we can drive in there to swap the dash, yeah, to see how it looks like. But before we are driving in there, I want to be sure that I have all the tools in order to remove the dash, because I don't want to be in there and don't have anything. Anyway, in order to remove the dash we need a T15, yeah, let me show you exactly. See this one, T15, okay, and we will have two small screws. I hope you can see something like this. Okay, that's one. We have another one in here. Okay, the second one is out. You have to leave the steering wheel completely under, yeah, and basically we can pull this out. Yeah, see that? And in the back we will have one connector or two connectors, depends on the options in the model, but I think this one is with just one plug. Come on. So anyway, oh, in fact I don't need to remove this right now, because I have to drive in there, and after that we are going to remove that in there. I want to take the screws out because I want to test first before I pay. Yeah, I want to test that the new one is working for my car. It's showing me the real kilometers and no errors, okay, and I want to check if everything works on the new dash. So now it's out, let's drive in there to test the new dash. here. Let's check the kilometers. Yeah. Now, so the next service in 21,000 kilometers. I don't want to start the car, man. Yeah. The next service, yeah, or October 2021, and the kilometer 150,755. So yeah, that's about it. Now let's change the dash. And just like that, we have the new dash. Yeah, everything is set. We have till 208. We have the oil temperature in there. We have the M logo like you saw yesterday in the picture. And let's see. Yeah, I see that the next service interval is in 20,000 kilometers. Everything seems to be okay. The kilometers it took from the CAS. Yeah, and we don't have the brake as on the US model. We have the indicator for the handbrake. Yeah, before it was saying in here brake. So we have a few differences, but now it's everything like European models, and this is what I wanted. So now let's drive the car and see how this works. Oh yeah, and you can see the needles are in red, and I'm gonna show you at night time the LEDs that are white. So we are on the road, yeah, and as you can see we have the oil temperature gauge that's indicated about 80-90 degrees, yeah, for the oil temperature. And now I'm giving some gas, as you can see on the dash, but the needle doesn't move, so this one is coded correctly as well. Everything shows like should show. Yeah, everything seems to be okay. So now let's drive home, and I'm gonna show you at night time how this LED looks like. Check this out. Haha, we are in a tunnel and the lights went on. Nice. Yeah, everything looks pretty good. I just have a few kilometers and I'm home, and we are going to look once again on the night time how the dash looks like, but pretty good. And we are here. This is the new dash. Yeah, everything is installed, everything works just fine. I've tested the how this is called, oh my god, in cruise control. Yeah, in English I searched for the word. The cruise control works, everything works fine on the dash. We have the original one in here, which we are going to keep, yeah, because this came with the car. And yeah, let's wait a few minutes till the sun goes down, and now let's see how this looks like on the night time. Yeah, I'm quite excited for this. Oh, nice. Check this out. Oh my god, nice. I really like it. Yeah, it looks better than before, of course. Yeah, and the M logo at first I didn't want to have that, but it looks pretty good. And I noticed that because of this logo I have this tendency to drive the car hard. Yeah, but really good. I like it. It looks perfect. Very happy with the result. In my opinion, this is perfect. Yeah, you can clearly see everything better than before, and the white gives you a modern look, yeah, to everything. It's like a modern dash. And just like that, we have the new dash installed. Yeah, everything is coded. Like I said, everything was already modified on this dash, and in the price it was 270 euros. I had it coded for the car. Yeah, so I think it's a pretty good deal, and I have the original one. And because of that M, I think we are going to change the steering wheel with an M, maybe the trim with an M trim. Yeah, and we are going to buy a new bezel for this one with the M logo as well. Maybe we are going to swap this trim, I'm not sure how this is called, with an M1, with the M1s, because I sold the black one, the E91. The E46 is sold as well, and everything with the new car is a little bit delayed with a few months because of the corona crisis, because I don't have a history with the new company, because I didn't have so much profit in this corona time. Yeah, but the new car will be here for sure. Yeah, and in this time, because I received the money from the insurance from the other car with the accident, yeah, I will invest that money and we are going to put some M parts on the car. I'm not sure if I'm going to make the M package, the bumpers front and rear, because like I said, I will have the new car and I don't think it's worth it, yeah, to invest that money, because I don't want to put money in this car and after that I'm going to sell it without any profit at all. So yeah, I think, oh, I see a package in there. Oh, here, check this out. So I received the oh my god, how is this called, this piece from the left side, because in the last episode when I replaced the suspension, the one broke, so now I can replace that. And yeah, I think pretty much that's about it for today's episode. If you like this episode, please give me a thumbs up. If you don't like the video, as usual, thumbs down. Until next time, see you later.